it really shined up, and it looks like a brand new truck for 200,000 miles and getting struck by lightning. This ain't too bad. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome to Overtime Diesel. You guys already know where we're at. If you're local, get down here, check it out. It's been a super busy week. Some good things, some bad things. Actually, to start my week off, I got stopped on my way to work. Absolutely crazy. I never do get pulled over. I'm always really good. But I did get stopped for an expired license plate. I felt really bad about it, so I hurried up, got online, got that back up to date. So that's kind of how the week started. And then the next day, Ovi hit me up and showed me an article online that was written about the Razor, the 4-seater. So that was a super cool write-up. People were really excited about that build. So then that kind of brought some life back, you know, motivated me. Oh man, that's cool. People love this stuff. Again, the only way we know if you guys like these videos and stuff is if you hit the thumbs up button, if you subscribe, and show us some love in the comments. So please continue to do that to support us. You can get down here locally too if you want to check out the shop and get some work done on your truck. But today I did stop down here to get a memory card, the GoPro memory card from Ovi. He's been working on the white truck that we unveiled in the last video. So again, we're gonna see what kind of work he's got done on this here memory card. I'll play that footage to get us kicked off, and then we'll get over to the shop to check out exactly what's been done. So thank you guys for all the love and support. Let's get into today's video. Pause, boy. Oh yeah, we got Mom back in the shop today. She's back again, looking better than ever. Yes, what you doing over there?
Watching my show.
Watching a show. You're not gonna help?
I'm cold.
Cold. Okay, Ovi, you hear that? It's cold in here, bud. We always pick like the coldest days to come over here for some reason. But this should be the last cold day, hopefully. But we've said that a lot this winter. So let's check this bad boy out. This thing looks super, super clean. And the very first thing I noticed when I check it out is the paint. This thing is immaculate looking. It looks like it came straight off the showroom floor now. I don't know if you guys can tell from the video or not, but this thing is absolutely gorgeous. All he had to do was pressure wash it. I say all he had to do, but pressure wash it, detail spray, and clay barred it. Super nice. Debadged it. You can't even tell where the numbers and letters were to begin with. Even inside the fender there, this thing is super, super clean. It looks honestly like a brand new truck. Absolutely incredible. Got the interior pieces out as well. You can see here everything is now out of it, available for any upgrades we may or may not do. I'm not sure what all he's got in his head, but here's the driver's seat. Again, it's tore up a little bit. Might need to do something about that there. But just imagine what this is going to turn out with the custom flatbed. You've seen he was already taking measurements and drawing up some things on the computer, coming up with different ideas of what he exactly wants the flatbed to look like. But just imagine, guys, pulling up, this is your new tow rig, your tow pig, to hook the gooseneck trailer on the back of, and then take all the goodies to the dunes, to the track, whatever. I really want to put that truck on it too. That would be super, super sick to haul around. But again, as we go through this thing, if you guys have ideas, please drop them below. If you're a company, please reach out to me or Ovi if you want to get some of your products featured on this build. We're definitely open-minded, but look at this thing. And even taking all the time to scrub down the interior. Couple steps on it there now, but this thing was super, super dirty. Looks so much better now. You can see still have the rear seats in here, but as far as the front goes, everything is now out of it. All the door handles are off. Just everything just cleaned up. I mean, look at this. Everything came right out. I say that because I didn't have to do it, but look at the interior. It really shined up, and it looks like a brand new truck for 200,000 miles and getting struck by lightning. This ain't too bad. Coming around the front, the mirrors look good, but maybe they need boost auto mirrors. I don't know. Maybe we can reach out to those guys, but look here. The instant detailer, the clay bar process. You already know what's under the hood, boy, that Duramax. But anyways, that's kind of what the dually is shaping up to be. Still got to get the brush guard off the front here and come up with an idea of what we're going to do. Yes, there are some paint damages here and there. Maybe we should wrap this sucker. That would be absolutely epic. What do you think about a wrap job? Custom overtime diesel or something like that. But I love the white. Imagine it. Bigger wheels, bigger tires. Like I said, I think he wants to go 24s on it, wheel size, tires, I'm not sure, 33s, 35s, lift it. Again, this is going to be a tow pig, so we want it to run nice. I don't know, do you put airbags on something like this or not? There's a passenger seat over there, boy. The shot always looks incredible. You guys know I'm obsessed with that octagon lighting. Should do the whole dang shop. But anyways, just an overview, a little update on the truck for you here. And coming inside the driver's side here, got them nice bucket seats. What you know about them captain chairs, boy? Look at that. What if we did a high country interior or seat covers, custom? I don't know. Just all kinds of ideas. Steering wheel has very little wear and tear on it, surprisingly, for how many miles are on this thing. But this interior, Ovi, you did a great job, man. This thing looks super, super sick. Just ready to get out there and drive it. I know he wants to get everything done. He's on a timeline trying to get stuff done. So you'll probably see this build progress fairly quickly. We do have to go over the engine updates for the skid loader over here. I do have some footage. Maybe we'll do that in the next one. And the super, super sick trailer update too. We'll get to that. And then on the Denali here, I do today want to put the fender covers in there. I did buy some cheap ones from Amazon. I read some reviews. They said they were kind of thin but fit good. So I bought them, and then When I was putting them on, they looked absolutely terrible folding up, so I did have to cave in and buy the GM version for like 380 bucks, so I wasn't stoked on that. But we'll get those opened up and put on as well, and just a lot of progress coming on all the builds lately, so super stoked for everything that's in store. And just for perspective, this is what I'm talking about, the custom painted white and teal gooseneck trailer to haul behind the white dually flatbed. Gonna be crazy. Remember all the OTD. We went over this whole trailer before in a previous video, so go back, watch that. We got a big update on this trailer coming soon. And then Brady's working on that one over there. We'll tell you guys about that one. He wanted me to keep that on the down low for now. The LML out here looking clean. I want to do some more stuff to this truck too. Got a bunch of ideas I've been kicking around, so we will get back to that truck as well. One thing at a time. We keep getting ahead of ourselves over here, boy. Okay, so anyways, these inner fender covers are from DMAXstore.com, so Duramax diesel only. I love that. I do like some Fords and some Dodges, so don't freak out when you hear me say that. But obviously a Duramax guy all around. So anyways, went ahead and picked these up. These are the factory ones. You can see these OEM certified GM. Even labeled, I believe. Look, left hand, there it is, LH, GMC, and then these were the Amazon ones. I know it's going to be hard to tell maybe on the thickness of these two compared together, but this material is so flimsy, and this is way more tough. So hopefully, like I said, I put these on and it just looked warped and terrible, so took them right back off and bought these. So I'm excited to try to put these on and see if they look a lot better. So we'll go ahead and get the GoPro out and do that next, guys. Voila, we got them in. Not all the bolts were able to go in, but the fitment itself was absolutely perfect. Learned my lesson there. Definitely go with actual OEM GM certified covers. They look so much better than the cheap Amazon ones, but some of these holes have so much corrosion in them that they would not thread. I don't know if we can re-thread them or if we can put some self-tappers in there or something to finish the look out, but how about that? Definitely hides and protects some of those harnesses and just really cleans up the look, so happy with that. Come around to the other side, again, a really nice fitment again. Some of these holes, again, stretched out. I couldn't get anything through there, so I did put a self-tapper in there just to kind of hold it up for now and get everything fitted, but they just look so much better already. What do you guys think? Shout out Duramax Store again, DMAX Store. Really cleaning up the look of the Denali over here and the tow rig. Both together. I love it. So anyways, guys, I'm just chilling here now. Gonna play around in the shop a little bit. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the white truck back there. Again, if you have any ideas, please put them in the comments. We got a ton of stuff going on, like always, but it is super fun to see projects progressing. As we head into spring, it's gonna be super cool to be able to travel and do different things, maybe start doing some events later in the year or next year. It'll be super fun. We're just getting everything ready, getting pumped up, and trying to get going. I think we're gonna do the seat in the Denali next, so please stay tuned for that. Otherwise, you guys just enjoy your weekend, have a great week, and we will see y'all in the next one. Peace.